untied grant has to be increased, and that there should not be any guidelines, sir. Because in the untied grant also, we have been given guidelines, specific guidelines for so and so amount for drainage, limited amount for this one roads. We need, sir, that whatever all the ULBs, no other they have specific requirement as based on their town. So request you to based on their town the requirement development what they require from their end. Let them be free in the entire council to make that this one do the development of their area based on their requirement. And one more thing, sir, as the population has increased from 2011, as per my town it is 27,000 now, sir. I request you, sir. So we are giving fund for drainage system. Can we in the 16th Finance Commission we can include, sir? Can there be a UJD underground drainage system for all the ULBs based on your survey? So there cannot be any every year you need to give a fund for the drainage system because this is a one-time investment for the underground drainage system. One more thing, sir, we have laborers based on contract-based laborers. So we are paying their salary from the whatever fund we are getting. Basically, we are getting one finance commission fund and one SFC fund. So if this labor payment it comes from the these laborers are permanent laborers and comes from the government. So yearly around 60 to 70 lakhs we save from this fund, which we can use for the development of our town, sir. And in the 15th Finance Commission, we cannot take development of any school, sir. In rural bodies, they can take development through ZP fund and all. But in the urban local bodies, we cannot do development of our school. Being an educated, as a children are the tomorrow's citizens, we are not helping them, giving them a proper good school, sir. So I request all these three guidelines to be considered, sir. Thank you.
ಇನ್ನೂ ಬಹಳ ಜನರು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Lot of people want to express their opinion, but ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ. Lot of people want to express their opinion, but we are really running short of time. We are half an hour late. So my request to all of them is that ಇನ್ನು ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಏನಾದ್ರು ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ಅಂತಿದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಲಿಖಿತವಾಗಿ ಬರವಣಿಗೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು ನಾವು ಕಮಿಷನ್ಗೆ ತಲುಪಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅವರು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅದು ಗಮನಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. So sir, we have come to an end of this session. So I take this opportunity to thank all the chairman and members of the State Finance Commission, ACS, and all senior officers of the Urban Development Department, and all the selected representatives of the urban local bodies. Thank you.
Thank you so much.